Have you ever wondered why some people seem to succeed effortlessly while others struggle, even when they work just as hard? The difference isn't luck or talent, it's mindset. Today, I'm going to share with you simple yet powerful mindset shifts that took me from struggling to thriving. If you stick with me until the end, I promise you'll see the world and your potential in a whole new way. First, stop focusing on what you lack. Focus on what you can create. Years ago, I was caught in the same trap many people fall into, thinking about what I didn't have. I didn't have enough money. I didn't have enough connections. I didn't have the right background. One day, a mentor asked me a question that changed everything. What can you create with what you already have? That single shift changed my life. Instead of focusing on limitations, I started looking at opportunities. I leveraged my skills, my energy, and my ability to learn. And before I knew it, doors started opening. Lesson: your future isn't built on what you lack. It's built on what you do with what you have. 2. Replace excuses with action. I used to be a master of excuses. I'm too tired. I don't have enough time. It's too risky. But then I realized something. Successful people don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it. If you find yourself making excuses, pause and ask, what's one small action I can take right now? Success isn't about giant leaps. It's about small, consistent steps. The moment you replace excuses with action, you take back control of your life. 3. View failures as lessons, not defeats. I'll be honest with you, I've failed more times than I can count. I've made bad investments, started businesses that collapsed, and lost money. But here's what I've learned. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every setback taught me something valuable. Every mistake made me stronger. If you shift your mindset to see failure as a lesson rather than a loss, nothing can stop you. The key is to ask, what can I learn from this? Then take that lesson and keep moving forward. 4. Surround yourself with the right people. You are a product of your environment. If you spend time with people who complain, make excuses, and stay stuck, you'll do the same. But if you surround yourself with people who push boundaries, dream big, and take action, you'll naturally rise to their level. Take a moment to think, are the people around me lifting me up or holding me back? If necessary, find new mentors, friends, or communities that align with your growth. 5. Make time work for you. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is wasting time on things that don't move them forward. Mindless scrolling, meaningless distractions, overthinking. Time is your most valuable resource, and once it's gone, you don't get it back. Instead of saying, I don't have time, say, this isn't my priority. Because the truth is, you make time for what matters. If something is important to you, schedule it, commit to it, and protect it. Use your time wisely and success will follow. These mindset shifts aren't just theories. They're real and they work. I've seen them transform my life, and I know they can transform yours too. But knowledge alone isn't enough. You have to take action. So tell me, what's one mindset shift you're going to apply starting today? Drop it in the comments below. If you found value in this, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you're ready to level up your mindset, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, remember, success starts in your mind. Make the shift and watch what happens.